Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find a marketplace on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First, once you get here, you will find here marketplace, click on it, and here as you see uh, you can manage your marketplace settings, and that's it. That's how to manage and find marketplace on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.